Esther. Hi Esther, do you want to say anything to the camera here? Show sounds you can make? Very good, and what have you been working on this board? Very interesting.